Hello guys, welcome to Yes Mining channel again. This is Michael from Yes Mining. Today we will bring you the testing video of this brand new model FLuminer T3 115 terahash. Recently, many customers is asking us when it can be shipped out. So today, here it is. No matter about the hash rate or the consumption, this model is way better than our Q90 terahash. So today we are gonna test it. Let's do it. We have been running this for 30 minutes for now, and its power consumption is performing very well. Also, the temperature is less than 50 degrees. Very good. It have 3 operation modes, which you can adjust according to your need. Welcome to FLuminer T3 in our Yes Mining website, yesmining.io, and you can click this button to get your VIP price. Thank you for watching Yes Mining channel. See you again.